Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have a little update on the Nylint steel dump truck. I got the GT Power sound unit in it, and it wasn't real easy cramming everything underneath that cab. And I got the new Lesu 14:1 reduction unit, planetary reduction, and I swapped that out last night. And man, what a world of difference. I don't know how I messed that up, but definitely the 5:1 is not for a truck. So anyways, this is on its lowest volume setting. And it's number 58 on the sound on it. That's full speed. And I put the endpoints on the throttle back up to 100%, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then if you let it sit, I think it's like 15 seconds, it shuts itself off. Yeah, there you go. So, yeah, with the exception of, trying to get that Tamiya driver figure in it yet. This thing is ready to go to the June show, too. So, we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.